Welcome to Hebrew Words in Scripture. This is lesson 88. In this lesson, we're going to look at father-in-law and send her back. So here we are again in chapter 18 of Exodus. After crossing the Red Sea, we find Moses meeting Jethro in Midian again. And verse 2 is where we find the words we're looking at today. Then Jethro, Moses' father-in-law, took Zipporah, Moses' wife, after he had sent her back. The word for father-in-law is H2859. And we see the Hebrew letters are Chet, Tav, Nun. It's a final Nun. So if we sound the letters individually, it would be Ch, Ta, or Th, and N. Kathan, Kathan. And we see the definition quite literally means the wife's father or a father-in-law. And we see this as a primitive root. And it means to give away, especially to give a daughter away in marriage, hence to contract affinity by marriage. The idea here, of course, is the joining of families together by marriage. It says to join in affinity, the father-in-law, to make marriages. So all of these concepts are in this word father-in-law. Looking specifically at the words for sent her back, we find all these words compressed into one Hebrew word, H7964. Shin, Lamed, Vav, Chet. Shaluach. Shiluach. The definition is sending away or a parting gift. The definition is a dismissal, that is, of a wife, divorce, especially the document, also of a dower, and that is the presence. So the conclusion is that Moses divorced his wife on the way to Egypt to set the Israelites free. And here in chapter 18, after the Exodus, crossing the Red Sea and landing in Midian, Jethro is returning Zipporah to Moses. And we see this word comes from H7971. Shin, Lamed, Chet, Shalach, Shalach. The definitions given are to send away, to let go, or to stretch out. In Strong's definition, we see that this is a primitive root, and its meaning is to send away, like to send for or out. Great variety of applications. To cast away, to forsake, to give up, to leave, to let depart, to push away, to send away, to send forth, to send out. And we see how these word definitions and word usages would be descriptive of our concept of divorce. We find this root word in the name of Methuselah in Genesis chapter 5. Methuselah in Hebrew is Muth Shalach, which is our word for send out. Methuselah died in the year of the flood, and his name indicates his death Muth, sends out Shelach, by implication, judgment or the flood.